Hi, and thanks for taking time to watch this video. Today I'm going to demonstrate a simple resource planner. What you can see here is a matrix of dates and employees, and we have a calendar here that shows you where the different employees have been assigned to the different stages of each job for each day. Now, when we look at this calendar, we can see we've got different colours for the different stages of a job. This is our status key for each stage. And at the end of each job, there is a comment added that shows you the details of that particular job. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is how we enter in a new job. So we've got this button up here, and it brings us up with a user form, and it allows us to enter new details for a job, and we'll just enter some dummy data in here just so we can get that to work. We need to select a category for the type of work. We can enter in some estimated hours. This isn't functioning in this particular workflow planner, but it was asked to be put in just in case they wanted to use it. And then if we click the save button, making a note of what the client is, click save, that has been added to the database of jobs. Now we can see here that we've got various days for the different employees where they're not actually assigned to a job. Now what we can do here is, if we want to assign this person to the job, we right click here, click on the assigned job data, and from another user form we can select that job number. We can select the stage, so we'll select the first one, preparation, and we'll say that that's going to be for 5 days. Now what we're going to do here is enter in the 5th of August, and we can see here that it's not on the calendar because they don't work weekends. So we'll put 5th of the 8th, 18, click save, and what it's done is it's added it to the 6th because the 5th is a weekend, so it needs to drop into the following week. So it's dynamically added that data in. We can then assign the second stage of the job or another stage. So again, we'll select the client, we'll select the second stage, and that's going to be to the 9th of August 2018. And click save, and then that is added in. Now you will have seen some details pop up here. So what that's doing is, when we select a cell, if there's a job in that cell, it will populate the data up here. So we've selected an empty cell there, there's nothing there. If we select this cell for this particular job, it tells us the details of that job, who's working on the various stages, and what dates. Another function in here is showing when somebody is on holiday. So we'll select a person to go on holiday, and if we just get some dates, let's see, employee 13, if we say from the 13th of August to the 17th of August, 13th of August 18, 17th of August 18, it tells us how many days that is, and then when we go back to the calendar, we can see that person for that period is greyed out, so we know that we can't apply some data to that particular period for that employee. Another function in here that we've got is we can look at a particular date. So if we want to look at week commencing the, let's see, week commencing the 20th of August, if we select the date cell, type in the date, and then this calendar will then redraw to show you that particular period. We've also got some functions here that will allow us to skip forward or back a month or a week or a day. So if we go back 1 month, that should take us to around the 20th of July. And if we go back again, 20th of June, and then we can go forward a week. So that'll be the 27th of June. And also if we click forward 1 day, that should say the 28th of June. So as I said, this is quite a simple resource planner, but it has the ability to be developed further if there was any requirement to have reporting or apply the number of hours for each particular job. So if you think that might be useful within your business, then by all means get in touch and I'll see if I can help after a bit of a chat. Thanks for watching.